over time, have you been listening to us for a while? Have you heard enough of the basis of vibration, which is you, for us to just jump into what you are wanting to talk about?
Yes.
All right, we're going to give you the really quick version then. Your vibration, you're offering a vibration. That's the end of the story. Oh. There's a little more. Law of attraction causes whatever you are emitting to come back to you. That's really the end of the, there's a little bit more. And what comes back always matches your output every time. So nothing is happening to you. You can observe things, you can be influenced by the things that you're observing, and that can be the reason that you're offering your output, but your output is what's coming back to you every time. So there are two ways for you to know what your output is. One, by what's coming back. In other words, after a little while, Esther will say, all right, I get it. I get it. She shouts sometimes, I get it. I get it. I see it there and there and there and there and there, and I accept that I am the common denominator emitting the signal that equals what's coming back. I get that. So that's one way. You can wait till it comes back to you and you can know what you've been emanating, but it's a little difficult to change it once you've got the habit of doing that. So it is better if you can catch it in the earlier stages, and you do that by the way it feels. You can tell by the way you are feeling whether what you are emanating is helping you or not. You know, you could watch, for example, a dose, small or large, of what's going on politically, and you could, or are, going to use a strong word, poisoning your vibrational output, because you just can't watch that for very long without affecting what you are emanating, which means what comes back to you matches what you are emanating. And the reason that you can tell by the way you feel is because there is another part of you, once again, we know crazy talk, that you cannot see, this soul source part of you with you all the time, thinking thoughts about the very subject that you are thinking thoughts about, but often holding a very different position about it from that broader, wiser, older point of view. And that's really the thing that is most necessary for you to have anything to do with what we are offering, because you got to accept this vibrational aspect of you that is playing against this human part of you, or you cannot begin to understand what your emotional guidance system is telling you. So here's the basis, and we're going to give it to you fast. We know you could give it to us as well in many cases. You are in this physical body, but right now, while you're in this physical body, you are also so much more. Because before you came into this physical body, you were source energy, non-physically focused. Some of you want to refer to that part of you as source or soul. We like to call that your inner being. But that non-physical aspect of you existed before you came into this physical body. And even though a part of that consciousness is now the consciousness that you know as you, the personality that you know as you, the person having the thought and feeling the emotions that you know as you, there's a non-physical part of you who still exists in non-physical, and that is so essential to your understanding of your guidance system, because that explains why, as law of attraction is responding, and it is, to the non-physical perspective of you, and as law of attraction is responding to the physical human right now in this time-space reality, in this red-hot moment aspect of you, those two vibrational aspects are having a relationship with one another, because law of attraction is responding to both of them. When you really hate someone because of their bad deeds, the reason that you feel that negative emotion is because your inner being, even though your inner being may be looking at the same thing you're looking at, is not hating. Your inner being is seen from a different perspective. Your inner being is always uplifting in nature. And when you are not, even when you have good reason, you don't feel so good. Esther has said to us in the past and yesterday, clearly, Abraham, you need more information. You need more information about this, because I'm pretty sure if you had all the information that I have, you would feel as I feel. And we say, that's why you feel as you feel, you see. So your guidance system is really important to understanding what your broader point of view is.